Hello guys, welcome in our channel DigiSkills Provider. So today our topic is instant car insurance online, auto car insurance online. So now how to get a car insurance quote online. Whatever the reason, when you get an online insurance quote from Nationwide, you can tailor and purchase a car insurance policy instantly, and even print out your proof of insurance card. Here's how it works. Number first, gather the information you will need about your cars and drivers. To speed up purchasing instant auto car insurance online, have this basic information ready for each driver on your policy: social security number optional, driver's license number, driving distance to work, driver violations, accidents or claims in the last 5 years, approximate dates and details, make, model and year of your vehicles. If you own a collectible car, you can also use the above information to get classic car insurance. Find out if you are qualified today. So get an auto car insurance online. Nationwide's auto car insurance quote tool is your fastest for a quick car insurance quote. Enter your zip code and click get a code, then answer some questions about yourself, the car you want to insure, and the people will be driving the vehicle. So you can also get fast car insurance quotes by calling 1-855-807-4222. And if you prefer working with a local agent, use our agent locator to find an agent near you. How to compare car insurance? Once you have your car insurance quote, you may want to shop around to see who has the best options available for what kind of coverage or policy you need. When comparing, you will want to keep in mind coverages that are offered, discounts available, deductibles and liability limits, additional customizable features. Find nationwide car insurance discounts. As you get your your instant auto car insurance quote, Nationwide will help identify discounts on car insurance that might apply to your policy to and save your money by lowering your premium in a big way. Multi-policy discounts: depending on where you live, you may qualify for lower rates when you have multiple nationwide insurance policies. Safe driver discount: you may also be able to lower your car insurance rate by avoiding speeding tickets, reckless driving, or having an accident-free record. Anti-theft discount: if your vehicle is equipped with an anti-theft device or passenger restraint system, you may have seen save even you may have saved even more. Nationwide Smart Ride: you may also earn a discount through the Smart Ride program, which is usage-based program that gives members feedback to help encourage safe driving. Understand your coverage options. With Nationwide, you have a number of car insurance coverage options to choose from that can help fit your needs. Common average options include comprehensive collision gap coverage, uninsured motorist, body injury liability, roadside assistance. Find out more about Nationwide's auto car insurance coverage options. Liability insurance is considered the most basic minimum auto insurance you can buy, and it's required in most states. Essentially, if you want to get behind the wheel, you need to have it. If you are thinking about requesting a quote for just liability auto insurance, make sure you know what the quoted policies do and do not cover the most basic policy. Accident or your car is damaged in some other way for a slightly higher price, you may avoid big expenses down the road. Customize your policy with additional options. Our most popular affordable upgrades include roadside assistance, which can help you find if you need to jump start or tire change, a vanishing deductible, which lets you to take $100 off your deductible for every year of safe driving. Accident forgiveness, which means we won't raise your auto insurance rates following your first is fault accidents. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Digi Skills Provider, and also share this video with your friends.